Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Capcut alternative best video editing app like Capcut. This is the Vivacut Pro video editor. So you can install this Vivacut on Play Store. After you download it, install it, you can use this app. This is similar with a Capcut. There is a template, visual effect, in-out animation, speed control, cutout, shockwave effects, and so on. So you can open now Vivacut. So if you have time, you can if you have funds, of course, you can join Pro. But before you join Pro, you can try the feature, the free one first, and if you satisfied with the feature, you can go upgrade your account into the Pro. Here, same with Capcut, there is a template that you can try. And this one, edit, this is the demo. Or you can create your own video, edit your own project. And this is the library if you tap online. There is a stock from this Vivacut. So you must be aware this app contains a lot of ads, so be careful. So this is the tutorial: pinch to zoom, long press and drag the clip to arrange order, same like Capcut. Here you can add text, add effects. So this is like duplicate of Capcut. So feel free to try this Vivacut app. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click the button below. See you in the next video.